My house is a mess, and I really don't like cleaning it. I'm sure you can relate. You know, when your house looks like it survived a tornado and the thought of cleaning it is about as appealing as, say, wrestling an alligator. Today, I'm here to offer you your ultimate guide to cleaning motivation, specifically tailored for those of us who would rather binge watch our favorite show than engage in a full-scale deep clean. Here's my home cleaning inspo 101. First things first, set the mood. Before cleaning, I get myself pumped in my own chill, introverted way. For me, I start with the Bath & Body Works candle and some warm lighting to set a cozy atmosphere. Consider brewing yourself a steaming cup of coffee that could probably power a small vehicle, and cue up your favorite playlist. Find the motivating routine that suits you, whether it's pouring a glass of wine, popping some sweet candy in your mouth, or putting on those comfy clothes, or even turning on your favorite podcast. Do whatever you need to do to pump yourself up to get started with your cleaning. Step 2, make a to-do list. Write it out so you can visually see what you have to do. Jot down everything you want to tackle.
Have you ever seen Miss Lindy? She likes.
And guess what? It's okay if you don't check off every single item. This isn't a race. It's more of a leisurely stroll.
Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl. She's so fine. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl. Miss Lindy's hair is fire red, her eyes are water blue. And when Miss Lindy smiles at me, oh, what it makes me do. Well, she's mine, yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl, she's so fine. Well, Miss Lindy's hair is fire red, her eyes are water blue. And when Miss Lindy smiles at me, oh, what it makes me do. Well, she's mine. She's mine. Well, I love that little girl. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. She's my Lindy, my only Lindy. Well, I love that little girl.
Step 3, prioritize. Which rooms are crying out for help the most? Personally, I tackle the common areas first, because if the living room is clean, I can at least pretend I'm winning at life while I ignore the laundry monster lurking in the corner.
All your desire and all your thought, they wanna go they meet favor. In this life we go be enjoyment you go meet. If your problem be money, distress, abundance in my corner, no less.
You might prefer to face your most dreaded space first. That's your choice. Just remember, focus on one room at a time. Not doing so can get chaotic and pretty unproductive. Step 4, set a timer. Set an end goal and give yourself a timer for each space that you begin in. To me, this creates a little psychological game where I'm motivated, and it's actually fun in my own little competition to see if I can get everything done in time. Step 5, take breaks. Seriously. I'm a firm believer that breaks are not just allowed, they are essential. Think of them as mini celebrations of your accomplishments. Take 15 to 30 minutes to recharge, maybe watch a funny video or stare blankly at the wall. Who cares? Just do it. Studies show that breaks add to productivity and work longevity. Step 6, restyle and organize. Change your perspective with cleaning and look at it as a time of decoration and reorganization. Think of cleaning as an opportunity to redecorate, restyle little things along the way. For example, every time I clean my coffee table, I move things around. I often switch the featured pages on my coffee table books, and when you're wiping down surfaces, take a moment to restyle them. Swap out books, move the cute plant, and suddenly you're not just cleaning, you are decorating.
The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason, rhyme, and take a time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose, whether we buy or hello, whether we step or jello. Sometimes, honey, me, you put a little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see, I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you deserve respect. The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get.
Step 7, see every step as an accomplishment, even if it's small. Did you successfully clear off that cluttered shelf? Great. Each little step is progress, and progress deserves to be acknowledged. And last but not least, step 8. Just like laundry, cleaning is a never-ending cycle. So once you're done, pat yourself on the back and prepare for the next round. Get ready to clean again as soon as next week. And that's it for today's video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next weekend. Happy cleaning!